It says pretty and plastered, and that's what I'm gonna be.
Nobody else but my love.
Hey everyone! So today I am doing a get ready with me because I'm going out tonight, and yeah, normally whenever I go out I just wear a red lip and just a bit of winged liner. That's not changing today. So this video is on a red lip and winged liner, and yeah, keep on watching me drink. By the way, this is WKD. It's my favourite drink. I know in America and stuff they don't do it, but it's so good. Yeah, anyway, let's get on with this face, making it pretty. For eyebrows, I am using the Suave 322 brush and the Brow This Way rimmel. It is in dark brown. And I'm just going around my eyebrows. So I just draw a line underneath the eyebrow. But although my eyebrows are already basically there, there's just some wee bits that kind of still need filled in. And then I just drag that product up to make it more natural. Oh, my eyes are itchy. Shit, I have contacts in. Really shouldn't be rubbing those. Right, I'm taking the PLouise base. It is in the shade Rumour, which is shade 2. That wasn't even a 2, but it's shade 2. Why can't I talk right now? Right, so just go round and line out underneath your eyebrow and then pat the rest of the product in. Yeah, right. What am I doing? I was quick to figure out what I'm doing. Right, so I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette and cover that bad boy up. We don't like you. Go away. Okay, so I'm taking the PLouise palette again. I swear I do have other palettes, but I love this one so much. And I'm just going to go in with Fling on the Suave 231 brush and just put that round the outer corner of your eye, pat it on, and then blend it out. It literally barely does anything, just gives a little dimension to your eyes instead of just having it all clear there, because I'm not really wanting much done on my eyes. So I'm not, because I just want the red lips to be like the main focus. So that's why I'm just going in with a little bit of the Fling and just blending it out until there's no more product left on your brush. Right, then taking Lovestruck and just putting that at the edge, blending it up. Right, now I'm going in with the Maybelline Black Gel Liner, but it has dried up a bit, and because I don't have the Inglot stuff, Duraline, I haven't got that, so I'm just going to use my brush and the setting spray. Just spray it on that and then go into it and work it in. And it seems to be working for me at the minute. You just really need to work it in so then it's not as wet. A little winged liner. Then I'm going to take the Lovestruck again on a little shader brush and just go under the eye So yeah, I'm just going to stick on eyelashes. I normally get them in the beauty wholesalers that I go to. Yeah. Nice. I'll attempt to try put these on camera, but more likely it's not going to go well. How do people even do this on camera? I do not know, like, my god. Although I actually seen a video of James Charles is like my ultimate favourite person on YouTube, and I seen his video of where he recreated his old makeup, and obviously whenever he was younger he said in it that he couldn't do lashes on camera, and yeah, maybe that'll be me. Maybe one day I'll actually be able to do it. Let's see this one. I just get the glue everywhere while trying to do it on camera because I actually need to be right beside the mirror to do this, like. Boom. Yes, honey, done it. I'm way too excited to be able to do that on camera. So today I'm using the True Match, but I normally use the Vanilla Rose for daytime and then the Golden Beige for nighttime. So today I'm doing the Golden Beige. Now I have the hiccups. I'm just taking my Real Techniques brush and just dab it on. Yeah. The reason why I use the Golden Beige is because it's actually a warmer tone, whereas the Vanilla Rose is a cool tone foundation, and I just feel like the warmer tones suit better to lights and flash while out rather than the cooler tone, so that is why I change my foundations. Contour. So for my concealer, I'm using the Collection Lasting Perfection. So I'm gonna blend this out with a beauty sponge, and as I mentioned before, I just do this dry. I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. I don't know, it is pretty dark there, but I do blend it out. Yeah, so I'm just taking my foundation brush and just blending that out. Just blending out the blusher shade that I put on there. And then you can go round the head. And now for the RCMA No Colour Powder, which is my ultimate favourite. And as I've told you before, a lot of it. And I just pat that into and then sweep it away. This hand is having a field day today. Like, it just keeps on moving or wanting to be in the camera. Now, I like to go with my lipstick first whenever I'm doing red, because then you know how much contour to put on. So the red is away. The red I'm using, and I always use, is the Rimmel London. I think this is called 1,000 Kisses. It's provocal lips. I don't know. I just know that it has all the kisses on it, and yeah, I love it. Love it. This is in the shade Kiss Me You Fool. Ooh, I'm feeling more myself already. Okay, now that I have the red lipstick on, I can really see how much contour and colour I need to bring back to my face. Yeah, Hoola Benefit bronzer. And just tap that on right here to give you a nice contour, then gently blend up. Then for bronzer is my usual MAC Give Me Sun. I might try out the dark tan one and see how that is. I was just like afraid of it because I am pretty light, but maybe it'll work whenever I'm wearing my going out foundation. Blusher on there. So now I'm just spraying my little brush that I just used for the bronzer, the blusher, and now the highlighter. Beautiful. And that is me done. So it is, I always say that's me done and then I continue to fiddle about with things. But yeah, I'm taking the setting spray. And yeah, I think that actually is me done now. Now I get to drink. Yeah, so if you haven't subscribed already, and can I just point out, no lipstick stain. This is red, it's not coming off. I only wear long lasting makeup. Like, yeah, I need long lasting because what's the point then, you know? But anyway, so if you've liked this video, please subscribe. It does help me out, and I will be uploading videos frequently. And yeah, so keep on watching, and I hope you do enjoy this. Yes. Okay, and you can follow me on Instagram. It is debbielee_makeup, or you can view videos also on my Facebook page, which is debbielee_makeup and beauty. And yeah, I will see you in my next video, and I hope you have a really nice day. Goodbye.